Hi friends, nail fungus is easy to treat in the first stage, but if it progresses, it becomes very hard to treat and sometimes a surgery may be required to treat it. Nail fungus mostly attacks toenails. It usually develops as a spots under nails and can grow deep, causing brittle and thickened nails, sometimes swelling, itching, bleeding and pain. So when you first notice the white or yellow spots under the nails, take care of it immediately. You might have contacted nail fungus from different ways. For example, shower floor in gyms and pools, wearing sweaty socks, contacting someone who already have fungal infection, moist and wet shoe, having a minor cut or injury around nail, having diabetes with a weak immune system. The doctors might prescribe you a variety of antifungal medicines, both internal and external, to treat the condition. However, for many people, these medicines provide just temporary relief and the condition might come back again. Also, the internal medicines have several side effects and may not be recommended for everyone. Ayurveda has several herbs that can fight against the fungus, stop progression and heal the condition naturally. Let's make a magical Ayurvedic remedy. Step 1. Prepare your nails. Take hot or warm water in a foot-soaked tub like this. Fill it with enough water to dip all your toenails. Now, to this add 2 tablespoons of salt. Dip your toes. Let your foot soak like that for 10 minutes. After that, take out your foot and pat it dry with a dry clean cloth. Preparing nails like this helps in better absorption of the treatment. Step 2. Magical Ayurvedic paste. For this you need Triphala powder. Triphala is one Ayurvedic formula that I recommend everyone to buy and keep it at home. This has several health benefits. Triphala is an Ayurvedic herbal blend composed of 3 fruits, Amla, Haritaki and Bibitaki. It has powerful antimicrobial properties. Turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can fight fungal growth. Edible camphor. Edible camphor has soothing and cooling properties. It has potential antifungal and antiseptic effects. Neem oil. Neem is used from centuries to fight common fungal and bacterial infections. It is a very effective and safe treatment for toenail fungus. Tea tree oil. Studies showed that tea tree oil, due to its antimicrobial activity, can treat nail fungus. Let's see how to make this remedy. Take a small piece of edible camphor and grind it into a fine powder like this. If you don't have edible camphor, you can skip this step completely, but using this has some benefits. Keep this powder aside. In a small bowl, add around 1 tablespoon of Triphala powder. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into the mix for its natural antimicrobial benefits. Also, add a pinch of ground edible camphor we prepared earlier. Now to these powders, add neem oil. Keep mixing while adding them to avoid any clumps. Overall, I am adding 2 teaspoons of neem oil for this to make it into a nice paste. To this, add 6 to 7 drops of tea tree oil for its renowned antifungal properties. Give these ingredients a good mix until they form a smooth paste-like consistency. It's like blending the forces of nature. Store this paste in a small container so that you can use it anytime you want. You can leave the container outside at room temperature. Using a clean cotton swab or even your fingertip, apply the mixture onto the affected toenails and the surrounding skin. Try to reach as much inside as possible. Let your natural remedy do its magic for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, you can keep your foot on a towel or a cloth to avoid rubbing off the paste. After 30 minutes, gently scrub the area with a soft brush to increase the blood circulation and to improve absorption of the remedy. Brush like this for 1 minute. Now rinse off the paste with soap and water. Rinse for a couple of times to completely clear away the paste. Then pat your feet and nails dry with a clean towel. You might see temporary yellowish color due to turmeric, but it will go away automatically in a day once you stop this remedy. Leave your feet dry like that. Repeat this remedy twice a day for excellent results. Please note that some people may be allergic or sensitive to these ingredients. So please do a patch test before and then continue if you are fine. Along with this, taking a multivitamin supplement mainly containing biotin, B12, vitamin C and vitamin D helps in faster and quick recovery from the toenail fungus. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.